Honestly, tell me who has not read the document which I gave you.
Sir, me.
Tej, very good. Tatwa, very good. फिर मायरा, very good. और त्रिशा त्रिशा तो थी नहीं तो उसको मालूम ही नहीं है. कायरा,
No, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, I didn't read.
very good. And Niranjana, you read, very good. चलो, तो only two people who are my old student because they know the punishment if you don't complete the homework. Okay, you will get a lot of punishment, right? You get more and more homework, right? So it is better to finish, right? Now I told you while giving only I gave you and told you that this is very very important document, right?
Yes.
Correct. But since you're not given, I'm giving you one more chance to solve, right? One more chance.
Yes, sir.
You finish this and come up with the understanding. Okay. Trisha, I
Yeah.
give you the document on the. I think mom is there already. She must have got the documents, right? So whatever document I send it to you, either on Classroom or on the WhatsApp, what you need to do? You have to download all of them and keep it in your Google Drive, right? Create a folder, one for assignment, one for the document, one for your notes. Whatever notes you are creating, create a photograph and keep it with a soft copy. Or you want to keep it book, okay. Tej, 100 रुपया फाइन. माइक वीडियो बंद नहीं करना है.
Yes, sir.
वर यू चेंजिंग द क्लोथ? तो फिर क्यों माइक वीडियो बंद करना है? ओनली व्हाइल चेंजिंग द क्लोथ यू शुड कीप द वीडियो ऑफ, राइट? उसके बिना जरूरत नहीं है. तो यू आर ईटिंग, eat, no problem. If you are drinking water, you can drink. Okay. See, I am drinking water. Okay.
ठीक
I
है.
was eating right now. कोई problem है?
Sir.
Keep the mic on. क्या problem है?
खातो है.
Keep the mic and video on. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to sit with the notebook, pen, pencil, textbook if you have, and with the water bottle, at least water bottle, right? If you want to eat something, you can have this thing also. If you're hungry, please take a break of 1 minute and go and grab something. Fatafat leke aao. Be in the class and eat. Okay, clear? That does not mean that every class will start eating, right? This is not a eating
Sir,
class.
I have whole compass box here.
Correct? ठीक है. Very good. So clear, everyone?
Okay.
Done? चलो. So I am opening this. किधर गया? This is a S. Chan Govagi. I gave you as a revision, as a total book, right? I am going to get the content on. I'll share my screen so at least you will be able to see. And we'll start with that. You have two things. One is book I have given, and one is one document I gave you, which written all the topics, right? So I'll open both of them for your reference. Clear?
Sir.
Can you see my screen?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. कहाँ से देखेगा? मैंने शेयर ही नहीं किया था. कहाँ से देखेगा? कौन बोला yes, sir? बिना देखे? हैं? Who said without looking at it? बताओ फटाफट नाम बताओ. Be honest. Now can you see?
Not yet, sir.
आएगा अभी.
Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Visible.
Visible.
Okay. Now types of number. Last time we have done. Correct?
Yes,
I gave you
sir.
types of number, right? Details. I explained you what is natural number, what is whole number, what is integer. We have done this or no?
Yes, sir. You have done.
Very good. ठीक है. Okay. Now number names. Everybody knows how to write number names, place value, face
Yes,
value,
sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
operations.
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows. चलो. ठीक है. So we'll directly take it a test. Okay. And we'll go on to content. Next is we'll do simultaneously. Okay. This is Eschan book. We'll say what is that? Rule of forming the Roman numbers. So they have started with the Roman number directly, writing the Roman numbers. Okay. We have the large number, how to write the numbers, read the number, which is same way, order relation, and in international place and place value system, right? Then addition, subtraction, whole word problems, it is same thing. We have also taken the same one. Okay, we'll take both together. So we'll keep on shuffling and we keep on checking that what we have listed, we have completed all of this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If I skip something, that does not mean that we have to follow this order. Okay. Suppose your class has taken something, your school has something different as a percentage, for example, in a exam, not immediately, but maybe in the semester exam. But we have not covered that. So the moment it is done, you tell me, sir, this topic is done in the school. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
You have
sir.
to keep on monitoring. So in this point in the Excel, I'll mention that this particular topic is done for so and so thing, right? So we'll take it in a list or we'll take it in a here, right? So what I'm writing here, okay, type of numbers. Okay, so we'll say number name, place value, and face value. Okay, and number names both. Okay, Indian and international, right? Clear?
Yes, sir. And in my school, the first chapter, that's revision, that is over. And
Sorry,
the
what is over?
first chapter of revision is over.
No, what is the chapter? Chapter number is not important for me, beta. Chapter
Revision.
1 beta, just hold. Just give me a minute. Got it. So I'll just write here place value, face value, and so on and so forth, right? Beta, you tell me, Pranav, 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Sir, like in my school also again is using Exchange book. So then the first chapter of revision is over. Ma'am has started Roman numerals.
Sorry?
My school is using Exchange book. So then the first chapter is over. This Roman numerals chapter has been started.
Beta, which is the first chapter? That is what I'm asking.
Revision.
Huh?
Revision.
Acha, you are using the same book?
Yes, sir.
Exchange book only you are using?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo, then it is okay. And it's a good book. Okay? Place value, face value, but this thing will do, Roman number will do next time. We'll understand simple place value, face value, number names, integers, and types of other number, right?
Okay, sir.
Numbers.
In
our yes.
Sir,
Bol beta.
in our school, the first chapter is numbers and numerations and factors and multiples.
Okay, who's beta?
Our school,
Who are? Are what? किसका?
सुलोचना देवी सिंघानिया स्कूल,
हाँ तो
तेज
तत्व
मोरे.
बोलो ना बोल मेरा मतलब तेज तत्व ऐसे बोल.
सर मेरे भी स्कूल.
Very good. So what you need to do? Good. That it's a good relation. You need to write, sir, my school is doing this, my school is doing this. You write the topic name. That's it. Right? This is done, this is done. So we'll also check what we have done or what we have not done, right? Once we do it, okay, we'll finish and we'll remove it. Right? Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
So, can anybody explain me what is the number name? What is place value and place value? Fatafat.
Sir, can I tell?
With a simple example. Okay, I don't want a mathematical explanation. I want a simple explanation in terms of what do you mean by place value.
Sir, can I tell?
Nobody will give me math example. Nobody will give me math example. Yes, Kyra?
So place value is where the digit is placed, and
I told you nothing to give me example of mathematics, right? I don't want a mathematical explanation. Without mathematical explanation, you should be able to tell me.
value is the place of a number, and face value is how The number
Okay,
is
chalo,
here.
you okay. Without number, anybody can explain me? Without number, with a simple example. Okay, I'm keeping it on here. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the place value and what is the face value without a normal? Okay, Pranav, tell me.
Sir, I don't know the number.
You should be able to teach maths without math. Niranjana, you want to answer, beta?
Yeah.
Chalo, I'm giving you one example. Okay, take yourself and give me the example. I've given you a hint. Take yourself as an example and
Sir,
tell
I
me.
think I got one.
Sorry?
Sir, I think I know.
Tell me.
Sir, like if I take the face value as the name, then my name will be the face value. How I look
Your
like.
face is this value, right? Your face is your value, right? That's it.
Yes, sir. And place value will be the place where I am in.
Like where?
Yes, sir. Like if I'm in Bangalore, that will be the place.
Very
But
good. So in place value, you are in Bangalore. So you will become 5 years old. When you come to Mumbai, you become 10 years old. When you go to Chennai, you will become 15 years old. Is that?
No, sir. Like that time, like when I go to Bangalore, the place will be
Don't take it.
Bangalore.
Listen. Don't take it place as the actual place, right? Okay, chalo, I'll give you a hint. Okay. Everybody will answer. Okay, and everybody is to contribute, right? Those who don't contribute, okay, Trisha, one more
Yes, sir.
rule. If you don't speak in my class, if you don't contribute willingly, then you have to contribute forcefully.
Yes,
Every
sir.
question will be asked to you first.
Yes, sir.
So you have to be interactive and you have to fatafat answer though, right? Whether right or wrong, it doesn't matter, right? Give me logical answer which has some logic you can give, right?
Yeah.
Now, for example, what is a place value? What are your value right now? What are you doing?
I'm attending the class.
So, what are you called as?
Student.
Very good. When you are with parents, what do you call? What are you called as?
Child.
My daughter.
Daughter. When it's with your friend, what do you call?
Friend.
When you're with grandparents, what do you call?
Granddaughter.
Very good. Correct. When are you with your brother, what do you call?
Brother.
Sir.
Brother, or when you're with the sister, you call as brother or sister, depending on what gender you are, right? So, Trisha is the only thing, right? Only one person. Like Kaira is one, Myra is one, me is one, you are one, right?
Yeah.
So right now what I am? I am a teacher right now, right? When I go to my wife and talk, I become a husband. When I go to my parent, I become a son. When I talk to my daughter, what I become? I become father.
Father.
Got it? When I talk to my sister, I become brother. Understood? So depending on what place I am placed, the value changes, right?
Yes.
Okay, I may feel that I am 53 years old. Okay, and I go and put my dad. Okay, dad, don't teach me. I am 53 years old. एक लपड़ा देगा मेरे को, रुको. They are still my son. Clear?
Yeah.
My dad can still hit me, right? Because whatever, however big I become, I'll be even smaller than him, right?
Yeah.
Correct? So he has all the right to give me prasadam. Clear or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So that means, okay, suppose if I play football, what I become?
Footballer.
Footballer.
If I play cricket,
Cricketer.
if I read a book,
Reader.
Reader.
if I write something,
Writer.
if I write a poem,
Poet.
Very good. So what happens? One person, depending on what role I play, is a different place, right? I can be poet, I can be cricketer, I can be footballer. Does not mean that if I put footballer, so do I look like a Maradona or what?
No.
Huh? नहीं ना? ठीक है. Suppose you teach your siblings, or maybe your mom teaches you, or your father teaches you. Will their face will change? It will look like a Hiren Desai, because Hiren Desai is math teacher. नहीं ना? If you play cricket, will you look like a Sachin Tendulkar? नहीं ना? ठीक है. There is a lady cricketer, I forgot her name, who scored some highest something, I forgot her name. Okay, Virat Kohli अभी कब जीता, right? ठीक है. So you don't look like them if you play that, right? If you play chess, you don't become Vishwanath Anand, right? Your face will still remain the same. Clear? So what is the learning? The face value will not change irrespective what you do. Correct? The face value of the number will always remain. 5 will remain always 5, irrespective whether it is placed in 100 place or 1000 place or 10,000 place or lakh place or crore place. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
The place value will always remain same. Sorry, face value will remain the same. Place value, depending on this, where you place, that changes the value. Correct? Now, I'll give you the basket here. Right? Let's see. How many numbers you want? 8, 9?
6.
10.
क्यों इतना यार? Suppose I am giving you money, तभी 6 मांगोगे. 1, 2,
7.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
8,
8.
9. 10 भी ले लेते हैं. चलो एक बार. For interaction, we will require 10 also. Okay. First of all, everybody must be staying in a house, right now?
Yes,
कोई
sir.
तबेले में रहता है क्या?
No, sir.
Anybody staying in jungle?
No, sir.
नहीं ना? Everybody staying in house, right?
Yes, sir.
So how? Chalo, describe your house. Just broadly, what all things it has?
A large TV. We live on the 14th floor.
अरे भाई साहब, I said I don't want the location of it. I want inside from door, everything what is there.
TV.
I don't want TV, something. Describe how your house is divided.
In
Bedroom,
Huh?
hall,
Loudly.
in a bedroom or a
Very good. Bedroom, your bedroom,
bathroom.
mom, dad
Hall,
bedroom,
bedroom, bathroom.
grandparent
Hall,
bedroom,
bedroom, bathroom.
kitchen, hall, dining
The
area,
bedroom, bathroom, lobby,
washroom.
kitchen, washroom.
Two
Kitchen. Living room.
balcony.
balcony. Okay, so do you? Okay. Wait. So everybody as an area, right? So here also we'll divide them into area. Now the black one is internal system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now see what is this? First you divide by 3. First 3 in both. And it starts from right hand side, right? This is called as one's position, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then comes the
10th position.
The thousands.
thousandth.
Sir, and it is
This
3.
is called as period. One's period. This is thousands period, right?
Sir, but in international system, 3 should come, not 2.
Correct. Sahi jawab. Here you will have not 2. Here you will have 3. Very good. This is thousands place, right? 1000 period. It is called as period, not place. 1000. Then you have what?
Lakhs.
Yeah.
Millions.
Billion. And what is this?
Billion.
Billion.
Billion. Correct. Here what you have?
Lakhs and crore.
Lakh.
Crore.
Crore.
Crore. Correct?
Yes.
Now to do this, Okay, wherever, whatever number I'll give you. It is very simple. Anybody has a difficulty in number names?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
If I tell you national international system, you will be able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody has a little doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No?
No,
Okay,
sir.
how do you know? Pranav, that is your name is Pranav. Trisha, how do you know your name is Trisha?
Sir, I learnt it.
Hmm?
Sir, I learnt it and remember it.
Okay. Now say,
Oh, sir, because our father and
एक मिनट.
mother told
Tej,
us.
Tattva, then Pranav and Hiren, right? We are all male genders, right?
What?
We are all males, right? Boys,
Yeah.
correct? So your
Yes.
mom, Tej mom, liked for Tej, she liked Tej and Tattva. She gave the name as Tej and Tattva. Okay, Pranav, mom liked Pranav, my mom liked Hiren, so they gave me this name, right?
Yes.
All are boys, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
similarly, here you will have all have a comma, right?
कोण आलंय?
मला माहित नाही. मला नाही माहित कोण आला. But ठीक है. Keep the mic on. This is one comma. This is comma. This is comma. This is green comma is international comma. And I'll give you here brown comma or pink comma. 1, 2. This is Indian, right? So every comma has a name. What is the comma name? This is a name. Billion.
Yes.
This is million. This is thousand. This is the name of the comma, right? Here also, what is the name of the comma?
Thousand.
Crore, lakh,
Lakh. Thousand.
thousand. Okay.
One.
Now, whatever box I have given, you just have to read that number. It is very simple to do it. You just have to remember the comma name. Once you remember this is okay. This is not a period. So you don't have to remember, right? Here also, this is not required. This is a period. Now, suppose you have 850695321. Okay. I want to write this in a international system. So what I'll do? First
Sir.
thing what you should do, start from the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Correct? If you want one more, I'll take one more, two more. Okay, chalo, 28. Okay, I make this. What is the name of this? Billion. This is billion. This is thousand. Correct?
Yes, sir. So can I tell?
Wait a minute. So what you need to read is just before this, just write this box one, imaginary box, right? So what you do? 28. Then write the comma.
Billion.
Then comes the comma, right? Billion. Then what is that?
850 million.
850
million.
Million.
which is written in this, right? Then million. Then
69.
95,000. 695.
600
And
90
95,000.
thousand
And 300.
and 300
And 321.
21.
21. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
This
sir.
becomes your life easier, right? This will like very simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you want any more explanation for this?
No,
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
No need. Okay. So if you want, there is hardly anything asked. So it is not a very thing. I'm just taking a screenshot. So at least we'll have something in record. We have covered this. Right? So place value, depending on the place, this thing is given. Now there's something called an expanded form. Okay. Now I'll tell you one thing. You tell me. When I say or when I write something here, what does it mean? Okay. Just understand this. 8, 5, 3, What I am doing?
Multiplication.
Very good. So what I am multiplying with what?
853 multiplied by 92.
Number. The 3-digit number.
3
What
digit
you are
by
saying?
2
क्या
digit.
बोला बेटा? वापस repeat कर.
3 digit by 2 digit.
No. That is okay.
Number.
What I am multiplying? He said na 8, 5, 3 something.
853 by 92.
Very good. अब बराबर समझ में आया, right?
Yes,
What are
sir.
you multiplying? 853
53.
multiplied by 92.
92.
Do you know that when you multiply with 9, you keep this or somebody keep 0, right? Why you keep this? You know that?
Why?
Anybody have ideas why we put this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, because 9 is in,
Huh?
sir, because 9 is in tens place.
Very good. So, if it is 100 place,
We can multiply by the if one number is over, we have to cut and do the other number.
correct. Okay. Now, see, I'll tell you. Can you multiply mentally 5-digit by 5-digit number?
No, sir.
No. And if I prove, you know how to multiply 5-digit by 5-digit.
Sir, I know. No, I don't know.
Mentally, you can do it. I'll prove
Not mentally.
very quickly. Okay, chalo. What is this?
4 into 6. 4 into 6.
Very good. Correct?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer?
Sir, 24
24
by 8 zeros.
24 and 8 zeros.
हो गया ना?
Yes, sir, but only in this type.
It's okay, no problem. I just want to tell you why I'm telling you this. Suppose if you multiply this, for example, I want to tell you this. What are you doing here? You are multiplying 8, 5, 3
Five,
multiplied by 9.
9.
So what you multiply by 9 is 27, 2, again 7, 4, 76, right? You got this answer. But if you put 9 here, 0 here, you put 1 0. If you put 00, you put 00 here, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that is why when you multiply 9, to make that, this is not 9, it is 90. That is why you put here 0 or your cross. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Correct or no? And when you multiply this, it is called as place value. This is 100 place, this is 10 place, and this is 1's place, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Clear? To go beyond this, very simple concept, but everybody knows. You know addition with the carryover, right? Suppose I have 3, 8, 7 plus 2, 9, 4. Chalo. Anybody want to help me with this? Okay. Myra,
Yes, sir.
help me with this.
Sir, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11.
Okay. So I have only one place here, right? So I put 1 here and I take 10 up, right?
No. Sir, we are supposed to write 1 above.
Kyun?
It's wrong. Sir,
Acha.
only
1 minute. Myra, 1 minute. Suppose, okay, let me ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट क्या हो गया हाँ Okay. Myra, you have 11 chocolates, right?
Yes, sir.
You ate 1 chocolate. How many left?
10.
Huh?
10.
10. तो वही तो 10 में ऊपर लिखा है.
No, sir. It's not like. Sir, we are supposed to just divide the number into 2 parts, but not minus it by that number.
तो क्यों ऐसा क्यों? मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? Why?
Sir, because we can't write 2 numbers at one spot.
Huh, that is not 1. When I am putting it and 10 I am taking it. What is balance I have to take, na?
Tens place.
Sir, it's in
Okay,
10.
Trisha, tell me.
Huh?
Why we are writing only 1, not 10?
Because the number is 7 plus 4 is 11 and not 110. So
अरे
we
तो
are supposed
110 कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ? I'm taking only 10 there. See, 1 minute. चलो, I'm revising it. Okay, wait. तत्व दिमाग लगाओ, ठीक है? And you are talking to a dumbest person in the world. So मैं नहीं समझूंगा जब तक you will not give me proper reason. Wait,
Sir,
Pranav.
sir,
Wait, I know. Those who are eager, those who want to answer, I'll catch hold of the people who are lazy to answer.
sir,
Okay? चलो. See, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. बराबर है?
हाँ.
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
तो I say 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Yes or no?
sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I put 1 here and what is balance? I taken 10 here on the top. क्या problem है?
Sir,
Risha,
sir, because 8 and 9 are because it's 80 and 90 and it's in the tens place. So it's
ये कौन
automatically
बोल रहा है? कायरा.
and it's automatically multiplied
ना
by
ना, ये कौन बोला? कायरा, right?
yes sir.
मैंने किसको पूछा है? मैंने किसको पूछा है?
No one sir.
Risha, right?
हाँ.
Risha,
Yes, sir.
this is a part of place value and face value, right?
हाँ.
Now what I'm doing? Suppose I give you one coin of 10 rupee
हाँ.
and I give you, okay, bring 1 rupee coin. Listen very carefully. You go to shopkeeper, you give him 1 10 rupee coin. And तुमने उसको क्या बोला? सर 1 रुपये का कॉइन दो. Correct? Uncle, give me 1
हाँ.
rupee coin. Correct?
हाँ.
Yes.
He will give 1 rupee coin. 1. You will take it.
Yes.
You're okay with it?
Yeah.
Very good.
No,
Huh?
no. No,
Why not?
because I need 1 rupee coin.
So he gave 1 rupee coin, na?
Huh. If he's giving me 1 rupee coin, then fine. But if he's giving me 2 rupees coin instead of 1 rupee coin, then it's not.
No. 1 minute. You gave 1 10 rupee coin, right?
Huh.
I told you, okay, Trisha, take this 10 rupee coin and bring 1 rupee coin. Correct? Right or no?
Yes.
So you gave, okay, this is shopkeeper who has a change. Correct? So you gave, Trisha gave to shopkeeper, uncle, give me 1 rupee coin. Okay. So he said, okay, beta. He take 10 rupee coin and give you 1 rupee coin. It is okay with you. He take a 10 rupee coin and gave you a 1 rupee coin. Is it okay with you?
No sir.
क्यों?
No, sir.
Because
10 is greater than 1.
1.
Yes.
अरे लेकिन तुम्हारा ऑब्जेक्टिव तो है ना, तुमको ये करना है.
Sir,
1
we
रुपये का कॉइन लाना है ना?
1 rupee coins.
हाँ, करेक्ट. So he gave you 1 rupee coin. Problem तुम्हारा solve. Yes
No,
or
but
no?
sir,
Sir.
but I have already given that shopkeeper 10 rupee coin, so it should be equal.
करेक्ट. इक्वल क्या?
Eh,
तूने
like
कॉइन
if
दिया, उसने एक कॉइन दिया, इक्वल हो गया.
like if I am giving him a 10 rupee coin, then he should give me a 10 rupee coin back.
हाँ, तो he gave you 1 coin, you gave 1 coin, he gave you 1 coin. प्रॉब्लम क्या
For
है?
example, if I give that person 1 rupee coin, so he should also give me 1 rupee coin, right?
तो क्या
That's
चाहिए
an
तेरे को?
idea.
बता मेरे से.
Sir, the value.
हाँ, बोल कायरा.
Sir, the value is different. The 10 rupee coins value is greater.
तो क्या करूं
हाँ.
फिर?
Sir, can I tell?
हाँ, बोलो.
Sir, we'll take 10 1 rupee coins.
हाँ, सिंपल लॉजिक है, राइट? द वैल्यू हैज टू बी इक्वल, राइट? तो 1 रुपी का 10 रुपए का एक coin, right? For example, I'll write here. It is 10 rupees ka one coin is equal to 1 rupees ka 10 coins. Is
But
it
it
okay or
would
not?
be, yeah, but it would be easier if there is one 10 rupee coin, right?
अरे easier नहीं बेचा, ये wrong ही है, जो मैंने लिखा है ना wrong है ये.
हाँ.
Correct? Why? Because this is something. Okay, I'll split and I'll show you to you what exactly happens. You understood? चलो ये चाहिए तुम लोग का? Okay,
नहीं.
चलो. I'll write here. Okay. I'll just say 10. Okay. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. It is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Correct? Now what I'm doing, what is this addition? Okay, let me split for you. What I'm doing, it is 300 plus 80 plus 7. It is expanded form, right?
Yeah.
Which is called as 200
387.
plus 90 plus 4. Correct? Now add this. What is that? 11. So it is ones place. I can keep only one. The 10 is going up, but this is expanded form. Because here it is this form, when I'm looking, it's the tens place. So it itself will become 1 into 10 will become 10 itself. Okay, this is ones place. Clear? And this is hundreds place. Got it, beta? Pisha?
Yes.
So when we are doing what we are doing, we are carrying 10 to it. So here what we are doing, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 80. It is 80, 180. That is 180. And then we are taking 100 on the next place. So what you do here, 1, we say 18. 18 is this, not 8. It is 180. So I'm taking 18 here, 8 and 100. I'm taking it on the, this is becomes 600. Clear? Is it clear how the place value and face value works?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Everybody is clear? Absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
So whenever next time you are asking, okay, you should know what is the place value of this. Okay. Can you shout? Okay, suppose somebody in the school. Okay. Okay, a teacher is teaching something. Okay. Can you shout on your teacher?
No.
sir.
Teacher, you don't know how to teach. Okay, my mom teaches better than you. Okay, you don't know anything. Can you tell? It is not a good manners, right?
No, sir.
You can
Yeah.
always tell your teacher, ma'am or sir, can you teach me? I am not understanding. I still have doubt. I am not understanding this, right? Okay,
Yeah.
at the same time, teacher also should not shout at the student.
Student.
Okay, they should ask, tell me, bacha, what is your problem? Why not understanding, right? Shouting will
हाँ.
not solve any problem. कितने जन
हाँ.
को मम्मी पापा से प्रसाद मिलता है? सच्ची बोलना. वेरी गुड. मायरा ने बोला है. ठीक है, मायरा गेट्स. ओके, हु एल्स? लेफ्ट, राइट एंड सेंटर. हु गेट्स इट? शाउटिंग तो एवरीबडी गेट्स इट. शाउटिंग तो आई कांट से कि मम्मी ने कभी शाउट नहीं किया होगा, पापा ने कभी शाउट नहीं किया. पापा स्टिल ओके, होता है, बच्चा है, जाने दो. मम्मी विल शाउट, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
है ना? यस सर. बेटा, दिस इज रिकॉर्डेड लाइन. आई सेंड इट टू मम्मा. तेज ने बोला था, यस सर, मम्मी शाउट करती.
Oh, sir.
No, don't worry. See, this is all, but then it is all they do it for your betterment. Clear? Even they shout. Okay, you understand? They are the best companion. They are the only people in the world who will think about you, which is good for you. Only people. They no personal agenda. Okay, so never ever do something which they don't like. Clear? समझ में आया?
Yeah.
Because they are the only people who are doing selflessly for your benefit. Clear? Even your school fees, your enjoyment, your dress, your birthday parties, your football, your cricket, whatnot, right? Even your haircut, your specs, है ना? Till the time, see, my dad and mom made me capable enough so that I can earn and I can buy the specs on my own. Correct? है ना? Like प्रणव का भी स्पेक्स है, ओके, तेज का भी स्पेक्स है, ओके, त्रिशा का भी स्पेक्स है, कायरा का भी स्पेक्स है, ठीक है.
Sir,
From where
I
are you
think
getting the specs?
lens kite.
अरे लेंस का तेरे जाके तेरा चाचा लगता है क्या? वहां जाके बोलेगा कि मेरे को स्पेक दे देगा वो, हैं?
Oh, sir.
इज इट अंकल? लेंस कार्ड वाला पीयूष गोयल तेरा अंकल है क्या? हैं?
Oh, sir.
उधर देना पड़ेगा ना, कैश देना पड़ेगा, मनी मनी,
पैसा.
पैसा. तो पैसा कौन देगा? पैसा खाली मम्मी
Our
और पापा देते हैं, और
parents.
कोई नहीं देता, राइट? ठीक है, क्लियर, अंडरस्टूड?
Sir, I think so. Tatva will also get specs because he watches too much mobile.
तो ना बोल उसको. बड़ा कौन है, तेज या तत्व? कौन है बड़ा?
Tatva 1 minute बड़ा.
तो बड़ा है तो फिर तत्व को जरा एडवाइस कर, भैया क्या कर रहे हो ये, हैं?
Okay,
भी
sir.
ज्यादा मत देखो, देखो मेरा जैसा हालत हो जाएगा. यू विल हैव टू वेयर
Okay,
स्पेक्स,
sir.
डोंट डू दिस. ओके, चलो. ओके, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द प्लेस वैल्यू. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to understand what exactly you're doing. Either it is addition,
Yes.
subtraction, multiplication, division, any operation, or you are comparing. Okay, you are comparing. Suppose I give you a very simple example, which is actually grade 2, grade 3 ka example, but I'm just giving you this. For example, I'll just show you here what exactly it means, right? Can you see my whiteboard?
No, sir.
It will load. I just shared. It is visible now?
No, sir.
You can't see still?
Showing that now it's visible.
Now whiteboard is visible.
Suppose if I say 198. These both digits are greater than all these 3 digits, right?
Yes, sir.
Still, it is a bigger number, right? Because it has a 100 place, which is greater than the tens place and
1 place.
ones place. So here also you have only tens place and ones place only, correct?
Yes.
Just now I give you example, right? However big I become, however elder I become, however old I become 60 years old, right? Still, my parents will be elder than me, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Maybe their weight will become reduced. I become very fat guy. ऐसा ठाका ठाका इतना बड़ा पेट बन गया मेरा, ठीक है. I may be 100 kg. My dad will be 60 kgs. Does not matter. Still, he is elder than me in age and experience. Correct. So it, however the digit is small, does not matter because it has a value as a higher place, right? Suppose you want to, chalo, I'll ask you simple without number. Again, I'm asking you, right? I want to compare the numbers, whole numbers, okay? Only pure numbers, okay? Counting numbers. If I want to compare the number without, like, tell me the rule. How will you, what exactly will check and how will tell you the rule? What are, if you want to write, okay, tell me the rule so that I can compare the numbers.
Sir, first you will
Loudly.
check. Sir, first you will check.
Loud, still louder.
Sir, first you will check
No, no, don't do that. Come near to the mic.
Sir, first you will check the digits. How many digits are there?
Okay.
If the number of digits is greater, then the number is greater.
Okay.
But if the number of digits are same, then you should start from the highest place and check which digit is greater.
Very good. Correct.
Highest
So it
common.
says this is a rule, right? So when you have number of digits in the number, okay, which are more, that number is greater by any means. If the one is 6-digit number and one is 7-digit number, 7 number digit is always greater than the 6-digit number. And even the 7-digit, 6-digit number will be always smaller than the 6-digit number. Whichever digit it is, does not matter, right? Is it clear? When
Yes,
it's the same number of digits, then you have to check from the left hand side, highest place value. You have to check because this, why I'm telling you, when you have the IPM, okay, you will have some numbers given and they will tell you, make the smallest or the greatest number. Next class, just remember me. I want you to revise this. I want you to revise the portion or something. Okay. And I'll tell you what exactly you are supposed to do it. Clear? I'll give some of the puzzles. What exactly you need to do it. Correct. And you tell me what exactly, how you will put me the numbers, right? I'll tell you with the, just remind me next class. कौन remind करेगा? Who will remind me? I am going to tell you the trick. Write down. Somebody write down in the book. I'll give you 4 different digits. And I'll tell you. So make the biggest number and smallest number. And then slowly we'll go to 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I didn't hear you.
सोचना पड़ेगा. I'll give you time for 5 days. Think. Take any 4 digit. Make a logic and come.
Sir,
If
what?
you don't do it, okay, I'll tell you next time. What is the logic, right?
I didn't understand. Can you?
Sir, what was the question?
Question is, I give you any number. For example, I'll give you here. Understand the question. I'll give you any 6-digit number, right? Any 6 digits. Separate. 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 9. Right? I give you some digits like this, right? Correct or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have to place these digits. 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication, right? What is that? 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication. And you have to tell me which number to be placed at which place so that you get the
Highest
highest product.
and
Clear? Got it?
Only highest, not lowest.
Highest उसका reverse करें तो lowest हो जाएगा ना बेटा. If you know the rule, right?
So what numbers?
Acha, can you see right now what I am doing? You can
No,
see my
sir.
face like this, right?
No.
Huh? Pranav,
No, sir, the whiteboard is not visible.
forget about whiteboard. Na? You can see the video also, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see me. Okay, you take a upside down. You be like this. You take a class by head down. I'll see ulta, right? Yes or no?
Ye-
So you
Yes,
change
sir.
your view. You change your logic. You reverse the logic. It will become a higher to lower, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
example,
sir.
I have 1, 8, 5, 6, 3, 9. Suppose I want to make a smallest number out of this. Smallest 6-digit number. No repetition. What will do? 1, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Right? I write the digits in the ascending order. You want to write biggest one. Reverse करो उसको. Logic को reverse कर दो. हो गया. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So reverse the logic. So when you get the highest number, you will find the lowest number automatically by reversing the logic, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll put this 1, 2, 3, multiply by 1, 2 and 3. How such that the product is
Greatest.
highest. Highest or greatest value, right?
Sir, can
Correct.
I tell?
नहीं अभी नहीं सोचने दो. Everybody think one by one and you have to tell me you should not have anything which is not मतलब you should be very comfortable, very confident what you should have it, right?
So what are the numbers?
These are numbers, these are digits. They are 6 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write this 6 digit here in the box, whichever you want, right? So I give you 6 digit, I give you logic also, correct? What exactly I want. Okay, you can solve this with the logic, write the logic in your book and send it to me on the personal chat. Where? Not on the group. Why not on the group?
People will copy.
Very good. So people will get the idea how to do it, right? But if you send me one on my personal chat, I will know who it is. Okay, write on the top your name, right? Otherwise, मम्मी के फोन से ये तत्व और तेज दोनों भेजेगा. I will not know तत्व का कौन सा है, तेज का कौन सा है, right? So you should write your name here. What I'm writing here is Hiren Desai, right? So you write your name here on the top, right? Clear, and click the clear photo and send it. I want also the logic to be defined. Huh? How do you decide what to put where and what? Correct? Because digit will change. This is today, this digit is there. Tomorrow some other digit will come. Clear or no?
Sir, we need to find the greatest
Sorry?
answer, right? We need to find the greatest answer, right?
Sorry, बेटा जरा जोर से बोल, नजदीक आके बोल माइक के.
Sir, we need to find the greatest answer, right?
लिखा ना मैंने, product is greatest, right? The product means multiplication answer is called as a product. Clear? Understood?
So,
Yes,
And I
sir.
want a logic. जैसे I told you how to compare the numbers. I Pranav said the number of digits को compare करो. If the digits are same, check from the one digit from the left hand side. The place is the highest. The digit till the time it is same. The same place it is remain the same. The moment it changes, the highest number will be highest or greatest number will be greatest. Right? Clear?
So the homework is that we have to find the largest and smallest digits out of that 6 digits, right?
Correct. And homework I am giving you one more. I have 5 more minutes to go. Don't worry. Okay. Now, can you see here? Okay. So we have done whole number, natural number, odd number, even number. Okay. And I give you the number, this. Okay. Next time, please make sure that you learn and come the class, the generation document, right? Whatever I download, whatever I give it to you, please download and read this. I don't send any unwanted things in the group. Either I send a screenshot of whatever we have done in the class. So you may not understand what it is given if you see without recording the video or we are attending the class. Because I write with a very good handwriting. Hai na? Yes or no? So if you don't listen to my lectures, you will not understand what is written. Sometimes it is very nicely written, but most of the time it is scribbling kind of thing, right? You will not understand. Clear? So here, now let me check and give it to you. Acha, I gave you Asian book. Everybody downloaded. I am hoping everybody must have downloaded it, right?
maybe.
Myra.
Sir, I'm yet to download it.
जल्दी करो बेटा. I have already given you link, but download कर रख दो because that is very important. अच्छा, for you anyways, your school is also doing the same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
They are also using the same book, so it doesn't matter. But still, keep a soft copy with you. Download it in your Google Drive. So whenever you are there, suppose you are not in Bangalore, you are going to Chennai, you are coming to Mumbai, you are going to Africa, you are going to America. Okay, wherever it is, still, if you have the internet, you can watch it, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Chalo. So I'll give you here another point. Let me see what I can show. So place value, base value we have done. Okay. Can you see this, my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir. Can't see.
It'll come. It'll come. Don't worry. It takes little time to load. It'll come.
Yes.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have done types of number. Prime number, composite number, I'll teach you next class after you finish my reading my book, reading my document, right? Number names, Indian interaction, briefly we have done. If you want, we can solve this whenever you have this. Okay, place value, face value with the operations and pattern, right? We have done this. Pattern also I told you, the operations we have done. Okay, operation with the large numbers, plus and minus, addition, subtraction, large numbers. This will do all this. I told you the logic. how the place value plays an important role, and then magic square 3 by 3, and then the Roman number. So next time we'll finish all this. We are not in hurry to do anything. We'll finish all this in the live class, okay, and then we start with this two and the sequence and series, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, let's see this in the Aschan book which I gave you, right? Okay, second chapter, third chapter, revision. Okay, revision also you have to do. Okay, let me check the revision. I'll just open the revision book here. Chapter 1 revision, right? Now revision you have to solve and you have to keep your answers ready. Clear? Now revision is something which already you've done in the grade 4. It is given you as a revision. Right? Now exercise 1 revision. Write the Roman number. Chalo, leave this. Okay, revision also leave it. We don't have to do it. Forget about this right now. Revision also we'll do it later on because Roman number comes into large number. Let's see chapter 3. Okay. See, this is place value. We have done this. Okay. How to write 10 lakh, 10 crore, crore, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, then 100, tens, and ones, right? How to write the number? We already covered this. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Okay.
Yes,
This is,
sir.
they have given us solved examples and there's an expanded form, right? 1 into 100. This is what I told you. Changing of the coins, right? Okay. Rewrite the following numbers using the comma separated in periods according to the Indian place value chart. This is one. This is following in words, right? This is they have already given a comma. What they are saying? Rewrite the following numbers. They are just saying just rewrite the number with the commas. What they are saying? Rewrite the following number in words. Now here they want number name, right? Write the following numbers in figures, right? This is you have to write the figures. Using the Indian place value system, place value of the each of the digits in the numeral. It is expanded form they want, right? Using Indian numeration, okay, find the value of the underlying. This you can do it easily. Acha, how many of you know how to write in a textbook? How many of you know how to write in a textbook? PDF.
Sir,
You know how to write in PDF?
Sir, I can.
yes.
If you write in a PDF, you can write, or if you don't know, you can write in a book. Okay, next class I'll teach you how to write in a PDF, right? So
Okay,
certain
sir.
things directly you can directly write here. You don't have to
Sir,
write.
I can write in a PDF, but it will be difficult to read.
No, why? You can write. See here what I'm doing now. I'm just typing it. Why it is difficult? See, I'll just show you here. Can you see? It is 1 crore,
No,
1,000.
sir, for number names.
Huh?
For number names.
So what is the problem? You can write now. Suppose this is suppose a place value, right? For example, this is given. Okay. It is called as 7 lakh. Khatam. What is
Not
it?
that, sir. The third main, second main.
Huh? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the issue? You
Sir,
say,
how will I write all of them?
हाँ तो राइट इन वर्टिकल लाइन ना यहाँ पे लिखो ना जरूरी थोड़ी यहाँ पे नीचे लिखते जाओ बट इफ यू डोंट दिस मच यू कैन राइट इन अ बुक आई एग्री एवरीथिंग विल नॉट कम समझ में आया एवरीथिंग विल नॉट कम आई एग्री ठीक है सो वॉट एवर यू कैन राइट हियर राइट और बाकी का बुक में लिखो
Okay,
राइट
sir.
So this full this worksheet is a homework.
करेक्ट चैप्टर 3 इज द होमवर्क यू हैव 5 days to go and I'm just showing you how many are there just give me a minute it is loading but anyways you can check okay I'll put it on this there are 13 chapters there are many solved example okay let me open here let me open in this It is taking, I don't know why it is taking time. But the book you download it will be easier because it is opening in a web, it is taking time. But if you do it in a this thing, it will be very easy for you to quickly upload, right? So next time I'll just open here and I'll check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anna? What is in chapter 3 I'm writing? Okay, you have to solve all of this. They are very simple examples. If you do 15 minutes a day, you will be able to finish, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll create an assignment to upload it, right? And I'll give you uploading of the Thursday, whereas next Thursday, next Wednesday. So we'll have Tuesday as a class, and after that, whatever doubts you have, after you finish it off, and then we'll upload it. Clear?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So be ready with everything. Do it. I'm going to write chapter 3 the assignment, right? You have to finish the whole chapter exercise. Whatever exercise is given, you have to finish. Clear?
yes, sir.
So, see you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.